Welcome back to Auto Odyssey. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Mahindra Thar, a legendary off-roading icon that's evolved over time. The Thar has always been synonymous with rugged adventure, and the 2025 version takes that legacy to new heights. Let's explore the exterior design, features, and performance enhancements that make this SUV a true standout on both city streets and wild terrains. First off, the 2025 Mahindra Thar maintains its bold and muscular stance, paying homage to its roots with a more refined, modern twist. The front grille is one of the most striking updates, now featuring a more aggressive, six-slat design with a matte black finish, complemented by larger, round LED headlamps that bring a contemporary yet timeless feel. The aggressive bumper, along with the prominent skid plate, reinforces the Thar's off-road-ready DNA. The wide fenders give the Thar a broader, more imposing look, flaring out to accommodate the large all-terrain tires that help it tackle even the most challenging conditions. These tires, paired with updated alloy wheels, ensure both style and performance are in perfect harmony. Moving along the sides, the 2025 Thar offers more muscular wheel arches and an even more upright windshield that enhances visibility while giving it a tougher, no-nonsense silhouette. One of the most exciting design elements in the 2025 model is the removable roof, a signature feature that lets you customize the Thar to your adventure. Whether you go for the hard top, soft top, or the all-new convertible roof, it adds an extra layer of freedom to your off-roading experience. The side body panels maintain a clean, minimalist design while the rear features a new, more prominent tailgate with a spare wheel mounted externally. The spare wheel design, with its heavy-duty look, reinforces the Thar's rugged character. When it comes to performance, Mahindra has ensured the exterior is not just about looks, but functionality as well. The 2025 Thar is equipped with improved approach, departure, and breakover angles, making it even more capable in challenging off-road environments. The increased ground clearance helps in tackling rougher terrains, while the strength and underbody protection provides durability against rocks and debris. To sum up, the 2025 Mahindra Thar's exterior blends classic off-road charm with modern design elements. Its tough, muscular appearance, coupled with practical features, makes it a true off-road warrior. Whether you're navigating city streets or conquering the wilderness, the Thar is ready for anything. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like button for more in-depth reviews from Auto Odyssey. Outro music fades out.